Puerto Rico, an island with a population of over 3.6 million people, faced its worst nightmare in September of 2017, Hurricane Maria. A Category 5 hurricane so devastating that it left more than 1 million homes without electricity for several months. Many houses did have solar on their roofs, and yet they were left in the dark without electricity. Confused? Let me explain. Grid-tied solar systems that constitute more than 98% of the residential solar systems worldwide cannot generate electricity when the grid goes down. The inverters present in the solar systems are not capable of forming their own grid. Puerto Rico's darkness, in spite of solar, cannot be treated as an isolated case. This has happened in Australia, United States, Germany, India, China, UK, Haiti, Indonesia, Japan, Mexico, Chile, Philippines, Mozambique, and many other places. And the cause might be typhoons, hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, earthquakes, landslides, ice storms, volcanic eruptions, and even wildfires. With the growing number of natural disasters, power outages are becoming more frequent. The hybrid and off-grid solar systems are way too expensive and come with their own set of limitations. Enphase's Ensemble technology can solve this problem. Ensemble can provide electricity to your home by harnessing the solar energy whether the grid is present or not. Enphase's 8th generation microinverter, the IQ8, is the foundation of the Ensemble technology. The IQ8 is the power conditioning unit that converts the DC power generated from the solar panels to AC power, the form of electricity that runs your homes. The IQ8 microinverter, which is capable of forming its own grid in conjunction with the Envoy combiner, the N-Power switch, the N-Charge battery, and the Enlighten Cloud, make up Ensemble. When connected to the grid, the Enphase system works as a traditional grid-tied system, but in the event of a grid failure, N-Power senses the outage and isolates the Enphase system away from the grid connection. The IQ8, however, continues to harvest solar energy by transitioning into grid-forming inverter mode. All this happens autonomously in the blink of an eye. When the grid comes back several hours or days later, N-Power senses the grid and reconnects the system back to it. The IQ8 then transitions back to traditional grid-tied mode. Solar energy harvesting remains uninterrupted. This unique capability is what makes Ensemble the first truly grid-agnostic technology. N-Charge, Enphase's new modular AC coupled battery storage system, brings you closer to energy independence. The grid-forming IQ8 microinverters and a battery management system present within makes N-Charge a smart device that can support backup operation, enabling you to store the excess solar energy that could be used later at a time the sun isn't shining. If you already have Enphase's IQ7 or IQ6 microinverters on your roof, just add N-Charge and N-Power to your system and enjoy the benefits of Ensemble. The grid-forming IQ8 microinverters within N-Charge will ensure your energy independence. In the Ensemble suite, N-Charge would be introduced first. The Ensemble combiner with an integrated cellular module connects the system to the Enlighten Cloud, facilitating remote monitoring and troubleshooting. The Enlighten monitoring system gives access to and allows you to control your Ensemble. Energy produced, consumed, and stored can all be viewed on your mobile phone in real time. You can turn the loads on or off, disable power export to the grid, and control when you want to charge and discharge the batteries. Enlighten even tells you how long your N-Charge will last in case of a power outage. To make things cool, Ensemble has been integrated with your virtual assistant. Alexa, how long will the N-Charge last?
7 hours.
Alexa, how much solar energy has been produced today?
13 kilowatt-hour.
Isn't it cool? It took 10 years of innovation, 330 plus patents, 8 generations of microinverters, and 5 generations of ASICs to make Ensemble a reality. Ensemble with the IQ8 microinverters within N-Charge or on the roof makes you grid agnostic. Needless to say, Ensemble is your solar insurance, the always-on energy solution. Enphase, your energy, your choice, always on.